Alright, isa sa mga bagay na napansin po natin, one of the things that we have noticed on our charts is that there is a correlation between the movements of most of our altcoins, no? And we are waiting for a key level, almost magkakamukha lahat, double bottom formation, and we would like to see a breakout on that neckline. And if that happens, no, which is basically your 3450 on Ethereum, on Bitcoin you have your 94K, 94,500, if that happens, I think the market can continue to see its rally. Maraming nag-aantay ng order sa taas na yan. Kung wala tayong gaanong FA, the market orders are going to lift that price up further to around 98. So if we break out on the, like what I said, no, when we broke out at 91,800, hahatawi niya ang 94,500. Nagawa niya na to. So ang next gagawin natin, kailangan basagin niya paakyat, no? Yung 94,500 range para mag-98 tayo, Kamiranda. So that's what we need today. Kailangan ko ng catalyst. In this case, we need a fundamental driver. Pwedeng mangyari 915 depending on the result of your non-farm payroll or anything that Trump can potentially say about crypto